day, everyone. We are Group Edu Queens from BEd 3A. Today, we will be presenting our project entitled Enriching the Criteria for Selecting Instructional Materials in Teaching Literature. So, selecting the right materials is crucial for effective literature teaching. According to Bulusan 2019, there are 4 major criteria summarized as CARE, or it may be called CARE. C stands for cultural enrichment, A stands for authenticity of the material, R stands for relevant language enrichment, and E stands for ease requirement in reading understanding. These ensure materials are effective, appropriate, and learner-friendly. But, as times change, so do students' needs. That's why our group decided to enrich this criteria to make literature more meaningful for modern learners.
The first criterion, the engagement and motivation. Learning material should inspire interest and eagerness among students. When literature is engaging, learners are more likely to participate, share insight, and develop a genuine love for reading. Motivating materials turn literature from a requirement into an enjoyable experience that encourage curiosity and creativity. Learning materials should not just educate, they should inspire. When students find reading enjoyable, they engage more and participate actively. Fun, relatable materials build curiosity, boost confidence, and develop a genuine love for literature.
Criterion 2. Inclusivity and representation. This criterion ensures that materials include diverse voices, cultures, gender, and social backgrounds. Students should see themselves represented in what they read, fostering a sense of belonging and respect for others. Inclusive materials help build empathy and equality, showing that literature connects everyone regardless of differences. Literature should mirror diverse voices, people of different genders, cultures, and backgrounds. When students see themselves and others represented in what they read, they learn empathy, equality, and appreciation for human differences. Inclusive materials help build classrooms that are safe, fair, and inspiring for all.
Let us now proceed to the third criterion, the contextual relevance. Contextually, relevant materials are those that relate closely to students' real-life situations, environment, and experiences. When learners can relate to the setting, characters, or events, they develop deeper understanding and personal connection with the text. This makes lessons more meaningful and applicable to everyday life. We also added contextual relevance. Students learn best when they can connect stories to their own lives. Materials that reflect their environment, experiences, and challenges make lessons more relatable and impactful. It bridges the gap between literary world and real-world learning.
Criterion 4. Critical and creative thinking. This criterion highlights the role of literature in developing higher-order thinking skills. Materials should encourage students to analyze, interpret, and reflect on ideas rather than just memorize facts. Through discussion and creative expression, learners can form their own opinions and think beyond the surface of the text. Another key criterion is encouragement of critical and creative thinking. Literature is not just about reading, it's about thinking deeply. Good material should challenge learners to analyze, interpret, and create. This develops higher-order thinking skills and helps students express unique perspectives.
Criterion 5. Digital integration. In today's digital age, digital integration is essential. This criterion highlights the role of literature in make use of technology, like ebooks, multimedia, or online literary discussion. Digital resources make literature more interactive and accessible, especially for visual and auditory learners. This criterion prepare students for a 21st century learning environment.
Criterion 6, Summary and Conclusion. This criterion highlights the role of literature in developing higher order thinking skills. Materials should encourage students to analyze, interpret, and reflect on ideas rather than just memorize facts. Through discussion and creative expression, learners can form their own opinions and think beyond the surface of the text. Summary. We enrich Bulusan's CARE or C-A-R-E criteria by adding 4 new elements. First is engagement and motivation. Second is inclusivity and representation. Third is contextual relevance. And fourth is critical and creative thinking. This addition makes material selection more holistic, inclusive, and suitable for today's learners. Conclusion. By applying both the original and enriched criteria, teachers can select materials that not only teach language and culture but also inspire creativity, empathy, and understanding. Through the meaningful material selection, literature becomes more than a subject. It becomes an experience that nurtures students' growth.